Okay, so we got her filled up to 3K. She stopped. It took us about 10 seconds, under 5 minutes, to fill the 13 cubic inch Ninja tank from 0 to 3,000. So it fills pretty darn fast, and it's really quiet. Most of the noise you hear is actually the fans running right there. So now the unit's off. We can bleed off the tank, and here's the bleeder, and the water will come out here, our condensate. Which I didn't see anything, which is awfully nice. The unit 2, we were monitoring the temperatures. Nothing warmed up, nothing. The unit stayed cool. I mean, it is as cool as we started. Even the bottle is barely warm. The unit turns at a very low RPM. Probably under 300 RPM. So it produces very little heat, and it seems to be pumping very good. So I'm assuming it has larger diameter pistons in it, and now it allows it to put out more volume at a lower RPM, which reduces the heat and heat seeking. So right now, super impressed. But of course, you know, I have to torture this thing. So I'm going to do what they say not to do, and that is fill up a big 88 cubic inch tank. I probably won't start from 0, but I'll probably top it off from 2,000, from 3,000 to 4,500 or 2,000 to 3,000, something. I'm going to let it run for a long time, and then really just put her through the tests. I'll go ahead and fire this back up so you can hear. This turns on, and it has 2 high-speed fans, which you can hear there. And this is the sound of just the thing running, without any load on it. So it's actually going faster right now than it would if it had a load on it. So let's just stop it. We'll hook it up to the tank again. And we'll just start it up for a second. It should shut off pretty quick. You can hear it slowing down. So it runs about that pace all the time. So it's just thump. So it's slow. That's why it doesn't build any heat up at all. And it seems to have pretty good cooling too. And shuts right off at 3K, just like it was supposed to. So far everything is up to par, but I got a long way to go still. And no condensate came out again, so right now I'm really happy. But like I said, you know, some of these things work really good out of the gate and fill later under lots of testing and loading and stuff. But I have an exploded diagram, and what I can see from the diagram is a pretty well engineered machine. And if this holds up, this is going to be big time in the PCP world. It's going to put those young hangs and all those others out the door if it holds up. So let's keep our fingers crossed and see what happens here. You know what? Let me show you the back too. There's the cooling fans, burst disc down there. Calling